Wow. Okay. That was good.
That was so good.
That was real good.
Wow.
Wow. It was a lot better than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, me too.
Oh man.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Okay. I'll be right here. Let's see what else is on. Sweet Terra Nova. I've been wanting to see this for a while now.
Honey, what are you doing?
Huh? Oh, nothing. Just, Terra Nova about to come on. I'm going to watch a little Terra Nova.
No, Jersey Shore is coming on. We're gonna watch Jersey Shore.
But it's already on the channel. We might as well just watch it.
Give me the remote.
No.
Give me the remote.
Take the remote. Oh, what's the matter? You can't get it? Oh, no, you can't get it. Huh? What? What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? Oh, I'm so vertically challenged I can't get the remote. Well, since you can't get the remote, by default, we're going to have to watch that. No! Oh! What the? No! 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 Damn, it hurt! What are you doing with a sword? I am so sorry. It was instincts. I didn't have any control over.
Instincts this!
You do not do that. Who's your daddy? Just a TV show. I didn't think it was that serious. We're gonna enjoy. She's gonna kick me.
Who's your daddy now?
Now, it's serious. Okay, all right. You lose. Oh, now it's personal.
Hey, me and Lisa were just wondering if you guys want to go see a movie?
Sure.
Is everything alright?
Oh,
Yeah? We're in love.
Yeah.
This nigga, his ass is done. You wanna act like a bitch, I'ma treat you like a bitch. I'ma treat you like a punk ass, pussy ass bitch. You wanna act like a bitch, I'ma treat you like a bitch. I'ma treat you like a punk ass, pussy ass. You wanna act like a bitch, I'ma treat you like a bitch. I'ma treat you like a punk ass, pussy ass bitch. You wanna act like a bitch, I'ma treat you like a bitch. treat you like a